Whoa, is that a 426? Damn. Phenomenal. Wow. Oops. That's a beast. Oh, this is your ride? Awesome. That's a phenomenal build you got there.
It's alright.
How long did it take you to build it?
I've owned it for 15 years.
Oh.
Wow. It's quiet. It's
Borla? Borla, yeah.
Yeah.
Catback?
4 Borla mufflers. American Racing long tube headers.
4 Borla?
Yes.
You didn't want to go eight mufflers?
Yeah. This is the quiet system.
Oh, it's the quiet system.
This is the quiet
You
system.
didn't want to get in trouble, that's why, right?
It's loud now.
Yeah, 100%. How much horsepower are you pulling out of that 6.1?
That's not a 6.
I know it's not a 6.1, but you stroked it, right? Something like that?
I'm gonna say it's about 600.
600?
Yeah.
Oh, phenomenal.
Yeah. Trap times in the quarter mile is about 124.
120.
miles per hour.
Wow.
So that's about 500 to the wheels, which is about 600 at the crank.
Right. Is it Nag 1 tranny?
Nag 1, I built that too.
Yeah. What'd you do with the Nag 1 tranny?
So it's got 9 clutches in the K2. It's
9 clutches?
9 clutches. It originally came with 5. It's now got 9.
Yeah.
It's a modified piston.
Wow.
I mean, the stock components on it are the timing cover and the transmission case.
Amazing.
That's what it is.
I love it. And the 2 intakes. I've never seen that.
Twin intake.
Twin intake.
Twin intake. It's made by the guy's name was Cams. We call it Cam Take.
Yeah. Cam.
So
amazing.
it's got twin snorkels and really cool. In the wheel wells, they're 6-inch by 9-inch cone filters.
Right.
So they're about like this long.
Are they bagged too? You put bags over them, or
there's no bags on them?
No,
I just put new ones on it.
Yeah.
We just brought this thing. It'd been sitting for forever. We put it in. We drove it to Detroit and now here.
Amazing.
Yeah.
How long did it take you?
The drive was 9 hours to Detroit.
9 hours?
Yeah.
You could probably do it in 4 though, right?
Past the gas station.
Past the gas station. So 4 mufflers on this quiet one, eh?
Yeah. And cats.
And cats, yeah. Amazing. I love this build.
Thank you.
It's great. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
What's that? Stuff like that.
Did you do any work on the rear end?
It's the rear end is a 09 Challenger 226 Getrag. It's got modified clutches in it. They're C6R Corvette clutches.
Wow.
So instead of having, to spin one wheel in a limited slip, there's clutches to stop it from happening.
Really?
Go around a corner.
Yeah.
Normally it takes like 75 foot-pounds of torque on one wheel to make the other go around.
Yeah.
Now this one's over 200.
Over 200.
So it will technically drive with one broken axle.
Gotcha.
Not that I can
Amazing.
decide to, but
That's
it's
awesome.
all crazy stuff. Nothing's factory.
Thank you. Appreciate it.